think it might be fun to clear this log jam together. Let's see what all this mess looks like after a few minutes of my tiny saw. Alright. Alright. Got some other stuff hanging us up here. Let's get that. There we go. Now what do you think? Oh yeah. Pacifier down there. That's kind of cute, isn't it? Alright, we got that piece. Whoa, 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 a fish. That kind of scared me. See that fish down there? Things we can't see it. Right down there somewhere. It's kind of in the shade. A little perch or something. Okay, so we didn't really rustle up any snakes though. Thank you for that. But we did rustle up a passy and a panfish. Alright, here we go. Get bossy with it. Well, as my dad said in Boy Scouts, let's leave it better than we found it.